Yes, good afternoon. I'm here. Yeah. Hi, Andres. Yan, unahin ko na si Andres, no? Si Andres sobrang busy. Grabe, nag-start na kayo ng taping ng Amutya ng Section E. Finally, nakita namin ng preview and trailer. The last time kasi, meron pa lang kayong mga workshops. Pero mas makulit na kayo ngayon, mas nakapag-banding kayo, Andres. How was it? Nakailang tapings na kayo. Kasi parang may namimiss ka ng mga events yun ng family mo, like the MBB Christmas group party. Wala ka doon because I think you're busy with the taping of Amutya ng Section E.
Yeah, so naging busy ako sa taping ng Amutya ng Section E. So I've missed out on some events with the family, but it's definitely worth it kasi we got a lot closer as a cast together. Parang we all just vibe with each other and we could connect easily with each other. Tapos ang saya ng taping namin, it's really a good experience every time. And we always come to set excited talaga and ready to perform.
Yeah, at parang mas makukulit kayo ngayon at mas matindi na yung banding pagsasama nyo, di ba? Nagkukwento ka like kay Atasha, your mom, Charlene, your father, Aga, regarding your taping o knowing Aga and Charlene. I'm sure sila yung nagtatanong pa agad sila.
Yes, so I like to always make them kwento about how the day went really and how the sequences went and maybe the things that I learned that day as well. I really enjoy telling them about those things because they also can relate, right? And they can share their experiences and how they apply it as well. So yes.
Siyempre, meron ka ng the first family eh. So, we're sure hindi ka masyadong nalibago, no? With the taping, di ba? Pero how was it? Can you make kwento? How's your co-stars?
So the first family, kasi it's sitcom style and usually we do like 1 or 2 takes and it's just, the camera's already set up. Pero dito kasi, sa Amutya, naninibago ako kasi may reverse angle, wide angle, tight shot.
It's like movie.
Yes, it's like a movie talaga. So it's all new to me. And of course, with the great director that is directed, that is guiding us throughout this whole experience. So it's all really a learning experience every time I come to the set.
Yeah, so mas mahirap, no? Unlike your sitcom na sobrang dali, di ba? O, pwede mag-retake, but walang masyadong maraming angle na kailangan kasi iba't ibang camera, no? So, direct, it's a film type, no? Bongga. And, okay naman, naka-adapt naman ba kagad si Andres?
Yes, Sir June. Actually, I'm very surprised. At first, I was syempre being careful, showbiz royalty, right? Baka hindi ko pwedeng pagalitan, baka hindi ko pwedeng sigawan. But the thing about Andres is that siya mismo, kumukusa siya to really learn kung ano yung craft. And even yung bonding activity na notice mo nakakulitan, si Andres yung pasimuno na may GC sila ng mga lahat ng Section E boys, nag-invite siyang mag-basketball sila together. Kaya ngayon, parang all for one for all na talaga sila. So, yun yung na-appreciate ko Andres na kahit na isa siyang mulak, okay lang na sigawan. Okay lang pagalitan. Okay lang na talagang pipikain mo and wala sa kanya kasi he wants to learn, he wants to hone his craft.
So you mean nasigawan mo siya?
Hindi naman po. Ano lang, like for example, sa mga normal naman sa isang director, pag sobrang impatient na minsan sisigaw ka, ano ba, gano'n. So okay, hindi naman yun sa kanya lang, kumbaga sa lahat yun, like, pag magulo, makulit, yung parang behave, kasi makulit talaga sila, 16 boys eh. So, ang hirap talaga nilang i-control, pero yun yung kinakatakot ko kasi baka yung iba, baka magkaroon ako ng special favor kasi Andres mulak siya, yung parang yung iba hindi ko pero equal yung treatment sa lahat at okay lang sa kanya. Bumabanding siya sa iba, tumatambay siya with them, nakikipagkulitan siya with them. So yun talaga yung pinaka-na-appreciate ko kay Andres.
Yeah, oo. Ako naririnig ko sa mga naging kaibigan niya sa Madrid, he's really like that. Down to earth, mapagkaibigan, walang pinipili. Pero direct napatunayan niya bang anak siya ni Aga Mulak? Siyempre, Aga is known for talagang one of the best actors sa ating industry, di ba? So, si Andres ba, lumabas na ang pagiging anak ni Aga na magaling umarte?
Mape-pressure siya doon. Ayaw niya nang nako-compare siya, but definitely he has it. Nakita mo naman in a short amount of time, from the day 1 hanggang ngayong day 9 na kami, ang laki ng improvement. From Tagalog, from the nuances, from the acting, ibang-iba mula nung nag-start kami sa workshops. So ito pa lang yung first niya na narrative so what more kung mahasa na siya, tapos marami pa siyang gagawin. So I'm just excited kung saan papunta yung career niya.
Yan, Andres, it's so exciting, nakaka-proud. Si Direk na yan, alam mo naman, maraming magandang projects niya. Parang hearing, yung mga sinabi niya, yung mga papuri niya. Anong napipil mo ngayon?
Sorry, could you please?
Anong napipil mo ngayon? Anong marinig mo yan?
Sa totoo lang, I feel super touched, and knowing that I get to work with a great director that is directed in my first serie project, my first serious project. It means a lot, and I'm really glad that he's taking good care of us and me as well.
Yan. Anyways, congratulations with Amutya ng Section E. Yan, thank you.
Yan po ang tinig ni Mr. June Lale ng Babate. Next up, it's Alan Sancoan ng Stars Photo.
Hello, good afternoon. Congratulations sa trailer, Direk and the rest of the cast. So, parang cinematic yung dating at ang galing ng nakakilig yung mga eksena. Yung first question ko to Direk, kasi parang, parang this is a new team, love team, di ba? Parang sila Andres and Ashlyn. So, alam naman namin, isa kayo sa mga nagpasikat na mga love team dito sa Pilipinas, nila Disken, di ba? How is it working with them? At anong nakikita niyong potential dito sa bagong love team na to? Andres and Ashlyn.
Actually, sobrang laking potential po. Simulan ko na sa, di ba, yung formula naman talaga is opposites attract. At dun pa lang, so kumbaga kikiligin ka pag medyo they come from the opposite side of the world, and then hanapin mo yung what's common in them, paano sila magkoconnect. So, dun pa lang sa personal background nila, yung parang ina-excite ka na kung anong pwedeng mangyari once na yung plot is may love na sila sa isa't isa. Pero yung ako naman personally din, in launching a love team, hindi rin naman talaga siya dahil lang doon. Dapat din hinuhuli nila yung craft nila, yung acting nila, at yun naman yung gusto ko sa dalawa. Like si Ashlyn, sobrang she worked hard to get this role. She's been in the business for many years already, and finally she got this big role. At talaga naman sa set, kitang-kita mo yung hunger niya, yung gigil niya na patunayan yung sarili niya. And that's what I appreciate about her. Nagtutulungan sila. And yun, so kumbaga, ayokong sabihin na sila na yung next big thing, but of course with the sana nga ganun. Para nakaka-proud naman kasi syempre parang mga naging anak ko na rin sila. Wow, tito. Mga pamangkin. So yun naman like for me as a director, alam ko naman yung purpose ko is for me to make the dreams of these actors come true. And if that means because of this project, they will need to take in their future, in their career, then I will be very happy already.
Thank you, Direk. Yung last question ko to the three lead cast, Robin, Andres, and Ashlyn. Kasi parang you will lead the group. Kumbaga kayo yung pinaka-head of these three, di ba, yung Mutya Section E. Especially to Andres and Ashlyn and Robin, how you work on your chemistry. Kasi nakita namin doon pa lang sa trailer kanina, like yung eksena ni Andres sa ni Ashlyn, yung pagpindot ng ilong, like that. So parang how you work on that? Parang nag-usap pa kayo or parang nag-workshop pa kayo? Yeah.
Yung chemistry po namin tatlo, siguro mas naging okay after the workshop. Tapos, si Ash kasi, naka-work ko na siya before sa The Ship Show. And kaya hindi na kami nagkakayaan sa isa't isa. Tapos si Andres naman, nung una ko siya nakita, talagang nagulat ako Kaya, syempre mulak. Tapos, ang gwapo, tangkad. Parang kinakabahan ako makipagtrabaho sa kanya Pero ayun, after the workshop, nag-aayaya na siya lumabas, nagbabasketball kami, nag-food trip, kung saan. Ayun, naka-close ko na si Andres, kaya nawala na yung hiya ko sa kanya. Tapos, ayun, ang ganda na ng mga scenes namin. Abangan niyo guys.
Ashtin, sabi nga launching mo to, napakalaking big break sa'yo.
Opo. Ayun din, katulad din sinabi ni Ravi, nagkasama na po kasi kami sa work before, so hindi na po ako ganun nahirapan at hindi po ako medyo nahihiya sa kanya. And kay Andres, noong una nahihiya talaga ako, hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-approach kasi natatakot ako, baka di mapansin, ganun. Pero hindi, siya pa yung nauna nag-approach sa amin lahat, tapos pinakilala niya pa yung sarili niya. And nung siguro ang effort na ginawa ko lang nung after namin mag-photoshoot ba yun? Nagawa kong GC namin tatlo para mas maging close kami. Tapos after nun, wala, okay na, nag-chat na lang kami. Sobrang natural na lang, hindi na pinipilit. Yan po.
Thank you. How about Andres?
Para sa akin, feeling ko nga that the chemistry from day one for all three of us, nandiyan na. I felt like from the day that I met these guys, or everyone in the cast, like I felt comfortable, and I know as well that they felt comfortable with me after a while, maybe. Pero yun lang, I just felt na from day one, it was all the right things coming together. Kaya ganun.
Thank you, and congratulations, Matian ng section 1.
Thank you! Alan Sangon ng Stars Photog. Next up, it's Dolly Ann Carvajal ng Philippine Star.